Interprocess communication refers to a set of mechanisms that the operating system must support in order to permit multiple processes to interact amongst each other. That means to synchronize, to coordinate, to communicate all of those aspects of interaction. IPC mechanisms are broadly categorized as message-based or memory-based. Examples of message passing-based IPC mechanisms include sockets that most of you are familiar with already, as well as other OS-supported constructs like pipes or message queues. The most common memory-based mechanism is for the operating system to provide processes with access to some shared memory. This may be in the form of completely unstructured set of pages of physical memory, or also maybe in the form of memory-mapped files. Speaking of files, these too could be perceived as a method for IPC, multiple processes read and write from the same file. We will talk about file systems in a separate lecture. Also, another mechanism that provides higher-level semantics when it comes to the IPC among processes is what's referred to as remote procedure calls, or RPC. Here, by higher-level semantics, we mean that it's a mechanism that supports more than simply a channel for two processes to coordinate or communicate amongst each other. Instead, these methods prescribe some additional detail on the protocols that will be used, how will the data be formatted, how will the data be exchanged, etc. RPC2 will be discussed in a later lesson in this class. Finally, communication and coordination also implies synchronization. When processes send and receive to each other messages, they in a way synchronize as well. Similarly, when processes synchronize, for instance, using some mutex-like data structure, they also communicate something about the point in their execution. So from that perspective, synchronization primitives also fall under the category of IPC mechanisms. However, we will spend a separate lesson talking specifically about synchronization. For that reason, this lesson will focus on the first two bullets, and we will talk about these remaining topics later.